Mobile investing app usage has grown 340% since 2020, but not all apps are created equal. Some gamify trading and cost you money, while others genuinely automate wealth building. Zero commission trades, zero account minimums, fractional shares, and excellent research tools. The app is not flashy, but it is the most complete platform for serious long-term investors. Wealthfront automates everything from investing to tax loss harvesting to cash management. Their 5.2% APY cash account is a standout, ideal for people who want to set it and forget it. Schwab combines investing with excellent banking features, including no foreign transaction fees. Great for investors who want their entire financial life in one place. Acorns rounds up your purchases and invest the change. It is not going to make you rich, but it builds the habit of investing for people who struggle to save. The $3 per month fee hurts on small balances, though. Side-by-side comparison of all 5 apps showing interface, features, fee structure, and a ratings chart for different investor profiles. Which investing app do you use? Share your experience in the comments. Subscribe for in-depth app reviews and money tools.